na nating patagalin. Tawagin na natin ang napakagandang babae from Canada, Coach Maria Janet Sahunas.
Yuhu! Alright. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course, ayan, umpisahan na natin ang pag-update. Mabilisan lang po ito. Ayan, and the very core of the Fire Starter Friday is all about, si Nodder ang nag-open, it's all about mission over money. And yon, it's all about the future. Sabi nga, mission over money and the future is here. So, the Zoom was opened with the heart and purpose talaga. Talagang sabi nga ni Nodder, oh, what a week, what a great week. And alam nyo, sabi nga, minsan nakakalimutan natin kung bakit natin ito ginagawa. But, sabi ni Nodder, we are not just here to make money. We are here to help people become healthy so they can live a fulfilled life. So, also, the reason why we're doing this, if we are healthy, so nakakaroon din tayo ng time to spend with the family, and if we have the opportunity to earn, nababalance natin, spending time with the family, sa anak, sa opo, and that is the real mission of Live Good, increasing the health span and at the same time the lifespan. So they also stress that momentum is really happening now. Sabi niya, right here, right now, something big is happening because thousands of people are here daily buying products, and talagang nakikita na nila, a lot of people are taking a serious look at Live Good. So we are already over 2 million members, sabi nga, and sabi, guess what? Itong mga 2 million na to, i-add mo pa yung mga customers, they are happily paying $9.95 monthly na hindi na rip off yung kanilang bank, because they are getting highest quality, lowest price, real value, at hindi ito hype, hindi din tayo nag-hype even sa marketing. So, Nodder also reminded us that the very core foundation ng ating company is mission and passion. And you have to remember, sabi niya, it's always mission over money and passion over profit. Inulit-ulit po nila to, kaya paulit-ulit ko din nilalagay ito, no? Hindi tayo nandito para mag-bash ng ibang company, para manira ng ibang company, but we are exposing the truth because facts are facts. Talagang nag-iba na daw po yung industriya. And again, yung problema ng old network marketing noong una, it was designed to help people. Pero after 20 years, nag-iba, people become greedy, it became greed-driven. Ayan. So, nag-example siya na lagi niyang sinasabi about the product costs na $5, ibibenta ng $60 to $100 pag ipinasok mo sa network marketing. So, ang effect nangyayari is few lang ang kumikita. So, people don't want hanggang sa, dahil nga nag-overprice, yung mga tao, yung mga friends mo pati, iniiwasan ka na. People don't want to talk to their friends. Why? Because deep inside, sabi ni Nodder, alam nila that ayaw nilang mag-take advantage sa kanila. Because they know that what they are selling is overpriced product. But Live Good is different. And ang meron sa atin, we are transparent, we are honest, affordable products with the highest quality. And this is the key. People are proud to share. Hindi ka mahiyang i-share kahit sa friends mo dahil alam mo na hindi ka nagbibigay ng overpriced product at hindi ka din nahihiya kasi alam mo, you are helping, not selling, according to Nodder. So, the trend of the economy ngayon, chinek ni Nodder sa Google or sa ChatGPT, and sabi niya, try to open your mind and check. Ang subscription economy ngayon, ang net worth niya, take note, ang net worth ng subscription economy is $555 billion. And in 4 years, tatakbo po ito sa $1.2 trillion. Yan na ang net worth ng subscription economy. Madodoble po siya after 4 years. And ang maganda po nito is because you are in Live Good, you are already in front of it. So, ang maganda po dito in the subscription economy and what we have here in Live Good is that the market reality is that you are not creating a demand. Hindi na tayo nag-iimbento ng market. Why? Because we just have to immediately share it. Bakit? Because sa Live Good, we have affordable price, and because we love our friends. So, hindi natin tinatago yung meron tayo, bagkos mas pinapakita po natin. Ayan, so, bakit yung old system? Ayan, so, ano pa ba ito? Okay, I'm sorry. Ayan, so, ito pala. So, ang market reality, again, we are not creating a demand, hindi tayo nag-iimbento ng market dahil 58 to 75% of people are already buying supplements. So, hindi tayo nag-iimbento ng bago. Ang mga tao, bumibili yan ng supplements, pero overpriced. They are spending $80 to $100 monthly. Pero ang nakukuha nila, low quality, walang transparency, wala ding testing, and basically, sabi nga, it's garbage. Sabi nila. So, ang solution is Live Good. Now, for the very first time, we give people the highest quality, lowest price, full transparency, and the truth that once people see it, they cannot unsee it. Why people share fast? Ito yung magic, sabi niya. 3 out of 10 people are joining Live Good. And ito pa ang magic. Immediately, pag na-experience nila sa Live Good, the products, they immediately share it. Why? Dahil mahal nila ang kaibigan nila, mahal nila the value na gusto nilang i-share sa Live Good. And dahil very transparent si Live Good, hindi nila tinatago. Ipinapakita nila. And that's what we are sharing. So, meaning, yung old systems are already failing. Napansin nyo ba? Sabi nga ni, no, the other companies say, you don't need to talk to people. Why? Because people don't want to sell overpriced products. Pero sa Live Good, you want to talk to people. Ibig sabihin po no, sa iba, kailangan mo silang i-hype, no? Bago ka bumili kasi otherwise, alam mong overpriced, kailangan ng hype talaga. But with Live Good, sasabihin mo lang, oh, I have a product that is basically maganda siya, highest quality, lowest price. And gustong-gusto mong makipag-usap sa tao. Why? Because alam mo that you are giving value. And again, the industry has changed. The other day, nag-usap nga kami ni Coach Fernan, we were talking about, mamaya, babanggitin ni Coach Fernan yan, yung company na sinalihan niya noon, na kinonsider niya na legend and it's closing out. So, babanggitin niya ni Coach Fernan that is a proof na this industry has changed and the old way of doing network marketing is dead. So, we have to break down yung value na sinasabi natin. We'll have to make it simple. Dito sa Live Good, we have people are already buying, right? So, ang budget nila sa supplement is $80 to $100. Ngayon, with Live Good, ang dami ng mararating ng $80 to $100. The same budget, pero ang mabibili mo 5 to 7 products na compared doon sa dati mong ginagawa na isang product lang, yung $50 to $80. Pero dito, yung same budget mo na ngayon, ang dami ng products like around 5 to 7, already a budget of $4 a day. No? So that is even, sabi nga, when you buy our products, that is even $4 a day is less than a cup of coffee. So we are also in the perfect storm, right? Dahil you are standing in front of 3 major trends. Ano yung major trends na nandito tayo? The supplement industry, it is doubling. You cannot hide it, but talagang it's a billion-dollar industry. Ang direct selling, nag-i-evolve na po siya. They could buy products on a subscription economy. And this subscription economy is exploding. Ang maganda, sabi nga, you are already positioned at nagla-leverage ka na sa subscription economy being with Live Good. So, we don't have to hype, no hype marketing because sa Live Good, hindi natin kailangan ng scripts. We just have to take the products and share it and educate people. So, no need na i-manipulate mo yung tao, yung team mo. No need for fake attraction marketing na kailangan ng artista at sasabihin mo na eto maganda. We don't even know if they're even using it. So, ibig sabihin po, what we have here is value, and value speaks. And then the most powerful tool na pakikinggan po natin, the most powerful tool na nire-remind po tayo is the health assessment tool. So kung hindi nyo alam kung paano mag-umpisa, then just share the health assessment tool or yung ating website na mahahanap nyo po yun sa my website, no? Yung free health report. So, yung goal lang po ninyo, you start with 5, i-share mo lang. Hindi mo alam kung paano mag-recruit, then just share it. Just say, oh, how are you? How's your health? Are you okay? So, if not, nagpapa-check up ka ba? Kung hindi, meron akong free health report assessment. I-check mo lang to and you would find out yung status ng health mo. So, yun ang sinuggest niya because yung ating health assessment link is education based, hindi selling based po yung ating health assessment link, no? And si Lisa, sabi din niya, Lisa, our director for product education, he said very something powerful. Do not sell, educate, sabi niya. You share your testimony, you share your experience, and then let them understand, because when people understand, they will decide. So it is very important po na ipaintindi natin. And then there was one story na sinabi niya na it is an affiliate na talagang nagsasuffer siya sa health niya and all that, and then she consistently used the products, and then nung bumalik siya sa doctor, maganda yung result ng kanyang health, ano? So you have to use the products consistently at least 3 months para makita mo yung result. And also sa ating product development, Dr. Ryan, Live Good is not stopping. There are new products coming, better formulations, real solutions, and this company, sinasabi niya, hindi stagnant. It is evolution. Ben is always asking, ano ba yung magandang product? Binanggit din ni Nodder yan na nakikita niya na nag-uusap sila, Doc Ryan and si Ben, na ano ba ang magandang formulation? Ano ba ang mas magandang ingredient dyan na magiging angat tayo, or special ingredient natin na mag-create ng value para sa ating mga affiliates. So, they never stop. Sabi niya, I see their conversations, they never stop, and there's no excuses. Sabi nga gano'n, we are building excellence, kaya nga we are growing because we have to make sure na our products are really excellent. And top products show one thing, sabi niya, yung mga products natin, yung pag-consume ng products natin, mamaya makikita niyo yung top 10, ano? People are buying because they want the products. Hindi dahil pinersa mo silang bumili. They are using it because it works for them. And ang nakakatuwa, sabi niya, people are reordering. Nagre-reorder po sila. So, ibig sabihin, when people are buying, when people are using, when people are reordering, that is the real business. Right? Ayan. Sa rank advancement po natin, ayan, proof of duplication. Sabi, last week po, we have 1,000 plus bronzes, 112 silvers, 18 gold, 6 platinum, and meron na naman pong diamond, ano? So, yung diamond, I forgot the diamond actually, from the company, 14 levels, deep po siya. And we always stress na hindi po tayo nag-hype, and this is duplication. Ayan. So, ang secret po, sabi nga, in our rank advancement, the secret is the bronze level. So, bronze, sabi niya, listen very carefully, sabi ni Nodder, bronze is everything. Bakit? Kasi yun doon nag-i-start na nag-share ka. Doon yung start na nag-decide ka na mag-duplicate. Doon nag-i-start that when you duplicate, everything else follows. So, nag-example nga sila, yung diamond is under 14 levels deep from the company. That means, makikita mo, 14 down the level, people are sharing, people are duplicating, and obviously, the system is working. And they also stress that we are in zero competition. In 3 years, walang nakagaya ng ginagawa ni Live Good, right? So, zero real competition because other companies are greedy, they cannot lower prices, they cannot match the model, and because we have a big vision. So, ang vision natin, this is the big vision. Where we are going. Saan ba tayo papunta? We are going to not only 30 million, but 100 million members. At nasaan po tayo? We are here at 2 million members. And napakaaga po nito, sabi niya. So, we are already in possession, no? So, sabi nga niya, meron nga tayong assignment, don't forget, sabi niya, just talk to people, talk to more people, send your health assessment, send your videos, and follow up, and yun lang ang gagawin natin, sabi niya ganon. And also is that, Live Good is not just a business, it is a revolution, and you are not late. You are actually early. And the question is, magpa-participate ka ba na habang lumalaki siya, or manonood ka na lang? Because this will grow with or without you. Ayan. So, top 10 products natin. Ayan. Ito po, number 1 pa rin natin ang ating factor 4, which is our anti-inflammatory. So, bumalik na po siya sa number 1 because last month, nasa number 2 siya. Naunahan na outperform siya ni magnesium. But today, nasa number 1 uli siya. Best anti-inflammatory. Kaya siya po ang number 1 dahil nararamdaman ng tao. Number 2, magnesium. Lahat po ng tao, kailangan nga nito. Muscle, sleep, ayan, stress management, and of course, 9 out of 10 people are deficient of magnesium. Number 3, ang multivitamins. Ayan, napaka-importante nito. This is essential. Number 4, D3K2. Number 5, Super Reds. Number 6, coffee. And ayan, number 7, we have black seed oil, called the remedy for everything but death, immune booster, anti-inflammatory, powerful antioxidant, and 5 times stronger than any other black seed oil. And number 8 natin, super greens. And number 9, probiotic. And asan na yung number 10 ko? Nawawala. Ayan. Ayan, probiotic. And number 10 is the liver support. So, yan po yung ating top 10. So, be with Live Good. Participate. Don't just watch, but participate because we are too early para bumitaw sa Live Good. So, stay with Live Good. Stay aligned. Stay with the mission. Co-mission before the commission. So, that's all I have, Coach Fernan.
Yes.
So, sending back to you.
Palakpakan natin si Coach Maria Janet. Come on. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Grabe, no? Ayan, maghahanap ka pa ba ng ibang kumpanya, no? Okay. Alam nyo, napakasimple nung may magandang sinabi din dun si Ben, no? Yung kahit mag-focus lang tayo sa pag-create ng bronze. Kunyari, may bagong napa-join kayo ngayon. Ang challenge mo, paano siya mag-bronze, no? How to become bronze, yung taong napasali mo. Kahit ganun lang puro ganun lang Tapos yung nag-bronze, ibig sabihin may napasali din silang tigda-dalawa. O ipasa mo yung challenge, no? Mag-create lang uli ng another bronze. Actually, yun yung power of 2 Na pagka ginawa talaga natin, sinundan natin, ang bilis mabubuo yung matrix talaga Lagi nyo tatandaan, ang matrix is like a puzzle na kailangang buuin kasi nandyan talaga ang sentro ng earnings, no? So kaya blessing talaga yung yung collaboration, kung talagang magkaroon to ng katuparan, magtulong-tulong tayong lahat na matitino, na totoong nagmahal sa Live Good, magkaisa tayo, no? Mag-enroll tayo lahat, power of 3, power of 2, o power of 5, whatever. Sabi, wag tayo mag-observe lang, don't watch but participate. Sabi ni Coach Janet, no, kanina, di ba? Mag-participate tayo by enrolling people. At least 2. Minimum of 2 or 3. Di ba? Pero kung magaling ka naman, di ba? 5 mo na. Ayun ang maganda ron. Okay? Alright. Coach Pinky, ba alam ko meron kang gustong sabihin. Ikaw muna. Mag-share ka muna.
Yes, Coach. Meron talaga. While Coach Jeanette was talking, and excited ako kasi sinasabi doon, no, na bakit perfect time? Perfect time now. Bakit ngayon ang perfect time na talagang tayo, no, yung momentum natin, share natin, kasi wala tayong competition. Walang kompetensya. Nahirapan ako sa Tagalog. Walang kompetensya kasi nga other company doesn't have what we have here in Live Good. Tapos yung vision natin, napakalaki, no? 100 million members ang goal natin. Nasa 2 million pa lang tayo. So talagang Napakaganda, no? Tapos, dapat talaga we need to participate now while the momentum talagang, ano, no, yung build natin. Dapat makabuild na tayo. Ayun, yung assignment natin, sinasabi, we have to talk to people, share health assessment. While Coach Jeanette was talking, I'm already posting like, hey, ganito. So, do something, And then, i-share natin yung mga video na ready na. All we have to do is just share. But don't forget, okay? Yung style natin is, wag nyo ilagay yung link nyo sa caption. Ilagay nyo yung link nyo sa comment section nyo. Or sabihin nyo doon sa caption nyo na, say link below or something like that. Para talaga makuha yung link nyo. Kasi pag hindi nyo wala kayong gagawin na ganyan, hindi talaga mapupunta sa'yo. Walang, parang hindi ka communicate, hindi mo alam kung sino yung nagla-like sa'yo o ganun. So, just share your videos, follow up, okay? Simple, consistent action lang talaga, that is equals result. Alright, so thank you, Coach. Back to you.
Alright, thank you, Coach Pinky. Ayan. Kayo po, ano pong mga comment nyo sa mga update na narinig nyo po? Bukod sa pagpapasalamat kay Coach Janet, meron po ba kayo napulot? Meron bang nagpa-inspire sa inyo, di ba? Ako, habang nagsasalita si Coach Janet, lalo akong minamahal ang Live Good talaga eh. And thank you sa mga committed leaders na naka-tune in ngayon dito at sa successful na meeting natin kagabi. And thank you sa inyong response na tayo po ay mag-tune in the coming siguro 90 days, no? Matagal na, no? Ang goal natin, punuin uli itong Zoom meeting natin. Kaya ba? Kaya? Halimbawa, in a week, kahit madoble man lang natin itong numero na to. Sige nga. Sino ang naniniwala na kaya nating doblehin tong numero na to? Babantayan natin to ko Janet every Monday. Doon natin makikita yung progress. Ayun, sabi ni Mary Ann Simple, no? Si Mary Ann lang naniniwala na kaya nating doblehin tong numero na to. Kaya natin yan, no? Kasi bubuhayin natin yung mga nanghihina, yung si Bishop o Marilo Becerra, ang dami, di ba? Pagtutulong-tulungan natin. Oo. Basta just believe. Magugulat kayo, mapupuno yan. Okay? Tapos makakarinig tayo ng mga ilang testimony, no? Ng mga kumikita sa Live Good, mag-i-invite tayo, mga nabuhayan, nabigyan ng pag-asa. Ayan, ayun. Me too, sabi ni Magda Amar. Nico Rivera, Beng Babia, ayan, no? Roman Fernandez, we can do it. Wag mahiya kasi proud ng quality products and affordable as yung inyo pong BP o blood pressure nyo. E6 nyo 6 capsule a day nyo ang factor for magugulat kayo. 2 sa umaga after meal, 2 sa tanghali after meal, 2 sa gabi. At magbawas ka ng mag-oatmeal ka lang sa morning. Anong gawin nyo? Magugulat kayo, bilang normal yan. Tapos sa morning, bago ka uminom ng kahit kuha ka ng hot water, lagyan mo ng Super Red. Super Red lang. Kaya naman, kung nagtitipid ka, mainit na tubig, tapos yung okay, Bishop. Naku, effective yan. Biglang baba yung BP nyo. Nasa pag pili din ng mga kinakain, di ba? Pero napakalaga talaga ng meron kang supplement na tinitake. Okay. So, anything you wanna say, Coach Janet and Coach Pinky?
Yeah, just stay with Live Good. Laging sinabi, naalala ko tuloy uli yung sinabi ni Ben na natawa ako eh. Whatever you are doing, if you're doing 2, 3, 4, 5 companies, don't give up on your position sa Live Good dahil you are still too early. once na andyan kayo, wag na wag niyong papabayaan yung position nyo in the matrix. And excited tayo dahil merong Ben video na bago, no? So isa din yon. So let's be excited about that. So again, what we are saying here is that ma-align tayo sa momentum. Like, we don't know where we are coming from, and hindi naman, kagaya din po naman kami ni Ben, we are not stopping you on what you are doing, pero other story, right? Iba na ngayon ang industriya ng iba si Live Good talaga, kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng i-compare dahil nasa subscription model po siya eh. So you really can't compare. What is good about Live Good is that it is built to last. Ibig sabihin, magtatagal po ito. Like, kung ganun yung passion nila, it's passion over mission, and they are so sure that they're gonna last for like 20 years, 30 years, just like Amazon. We are in a very good place. We are in a very good position. So, pangalagaan nyo po yun, panghawakan nyo po yun, kahit na ano pong ginagawa nyo. Alam mo, mahihiya ka lang bumalik, siniraan ko siya. So, yan. If you are planning, because we don't know, hindi natin alam if any of you here, no? Yun lang ang i-remind namin sa inyo. Wag na wag nyo pong ibabash si Live Good, para one day masasabi mo pa rin that I am here with Live Good long term. Yun lang po, Coach Fernan.
Ako, Coach, meron sandali.
Go ahead, Coach.
Okay, sasabihin ko kasi talagang gusto ko dito sa mga nakikinig na nandito. Alam ko, kasi meron nang nangihina, meron nang nagano, why we need Live Good, okay? Kasi number one is affordable siya, high quality. Importante ang supplement sa atin. Kahit mayaman ka man, meron ka ng pera dyan, pero what will you do without your health? So, number one, need natin yan. So, maintain your subscription. Tapos yung model niya is a membership model na talagang nakakasave ka. Sa $9.95, napakamura niyan. Tapos yung opportunity natin, meron tayong power of 3 strategy. Kung susundin natin yan, kasi nakita na ni Coach Fernan, nakita na natin how it works. If we will do the perfect 3 sa lahat, no? 3 duplication, talagang mangyayari ang lahat na nakikita natin when it comes to our commission, when it comes to our, sabihin na lang natin, sa ating fast start, sa ating matching bonus, sa ating matrix bonus na ano ko. So yun, kung kumpleto tayo sa 3, kung tutulungan, kung gagawin talaga natin, talagang makukuha natin yung opportunity. Kailangan lang natin ng magandang strategy. And then, of course, yung community, nagtutulungan tayo dito, which is really number one talaga. Yung mga training, mga Zoom, yung mentorship, yung online dito na talagang everyday na ginagawa natin, no? Si Coach Fernan is everyday nandyan. Okay, perfect ito sa kahit beginners ka, you don't have to worry kasi nga kailangan mag-plug in lang. That is the important. And then, of course, yung solution natin, no, yung mga overpriced wellness, itong baba ng ating price. So, talagang, kung isipin, napakaganda. Okay? Solution to overpriced wellness is Live Good. Ang lifestyle and freedom natin dito, we can work anywhere. Okay? We can start our business. Mas-scale natin yung health, yung income natin. So, talaga, guys. So, simple truth is, you don't need Live Good to survive, but you want affordable, you want high quality wellness product, income opportunity, mga rewards, effort plus team effort pa, freedom and flexibility. So talaga Live Good is a tool to make that lifestyle easier. So yun, kailangan natin ang Live Good, kailangan natin to stay with Live Good. Back to you, Coach. Yun lang sa akin.
Alright, lalim, no? Thank you, Coach Pinky. Ayan, I hope marami kayong natututunan, no, sa atin pong kwentuhan, sa mga updates. And alam nyo, napakahalaga nung sinabi ni Coach Janet din, no, na di ba, ba't kailangan nating siraan ng Live Good na kung saan, lalo na kung napagpala ka rito, no? sa isang banda ano to nagbigay ng blessing sa'yo. Kahit sabihin mong lumipat ka, halimbawa na o nagdagdag ka ng ibang company, wala, hindi saklaw ni Ben yon. Laging sinasabi ni Ben, di ba? Pero ang di ko maintindihan, ba't kailangan pa nating i-badmouth ang Live Good na nag-bless sa atin, sa'yo? Hindi ko maintindihan, hindi ko makuha kung saan ka nanggagaling pagka ganun. Dahil ba sa kagustuhan mong ma-recruit yung gusto mong kunin na tao, kaya mo kailangan gawin yon, kailangan mong sirain, di ba? May mga nagme-message pa huwag ka na magbayad ng subscription. Ano mo na lang, pambili mo na lang ng bigas. May mga ganun pa, no? Na sa kagustuhan lang naman niya na recruitin yung taong sinasabihan niya na ganun. Ako sabihan mong ganun, lalo akong di sasama sa'yo eh. Diba? Piliin nyo rin yung mga taong sasamahan nyo. Number 1, yung kanilang karakter, yung kanilang mga lumalabas sa mouth nila, di ba? Kasi doon pa lang ma-check nyo na, matetest nyo na kung anong klaseng tao o pagkatao meron sila, di ba? Gusto nyo bang sumama sa ganong klaseng tao? Yun lang naman yun eh. So, sana lahat tayo na nandito, no? Gaya ni sinabi ni Coach Janet, no? Kung kayo talaga hindi mapigilan na mag-join sa ibang kumpanya, i-keep nyo yung relationship nyo sa mga tao nyo sa Live Good. Lalo na kung nagbabayad ka pa rin ng subscription sa kabila nung nasa ibang kumpanya ka na, doon ako natatawa, no? Sisira mo Live Good pero bayad ka pa rin ng bayad ng subscription. Hindi kita maintindihan pagka ganun. Oo. Alam nyo naman na aanihin din natin lahat yan, di ba?
Gusto ko lang dagdagan yung sinasabi ni Coach Fernan kanina na
Sige po.
kung meron kang ibang company, tapos ibabadmouth mo yung Live Good, na in fact na talagang nakapag-earn ka naman, no? So, that character itself, nakikita mo talaga na walang integrity, right?
Yeah.
Kasi kung pwede lang talaga ang dream natin dito, alam ko dream din yan ni Coach Fernan na this will really work. Okay? Kaya nga gumagawa tayo ng strategy kasi kailangan talaga natin na we have to work together as one sa lahat, galing kay Coach Fernan because Coach Fernan is our top, so dapat yun ang dapat gawin natin na we have to help each other, right? Kaya kung sana naintindihan lang sana sa mga sa iba dyan, talagang talaga na ano lang ako, ma-hurt ako kasi ako talaga, gusto ko talaga mag-work ito. Na talagang makikita natin sa tao na inano natin na talagang yung inofera natin, no? Na talagang mag-work, na hindi sila aalis kasi na-disappoint sila kasi wala silang Pero of course, we have to work together. Hindi yung isa lang. Kasi sa totoo lang, in my team, talagang ako lang talaga, or 3 of us, or maybe 4, talaga ang hirap kung kayo-kayo lang ang mag-work. So, kaya nung itong natin, strategy na gagawin talaga na collaboration, it's really a good idea to help each other. So, yun lang sa akin. So, wag lang, pag nakikita ko lang kasi pag nagbabadmouth sa company na mismo nakapag-income, kahit maliit lang yan, it's still, nakatanggap ka rin. Yung integrity mo, grabe ka kung makapagsalita ng, ganito, ako, ang ganda-ganda ng Live Good, and then suddenly, iba ng salita mo. Talagang ang integrity nawawala. So,
Yes.
hopefully, everybody na nandito, talagang, isipin nyo talaga na, do I really need to say that? Kasi nakatulong din sa atin. Kahit naman hindi siguro wala tayong income, but for the sense na ang Live Good nakatulong sa ating health, that's a good reason not to badmouth Live Good. Back to you, Coach. Yun lang.
Correct. Grabe, no?